The iPhone 13 is an amazing device that fits right into your pocket. Apple released the iPhone 13 last week, and with it, a bunch of new upgrades. But there are a lot of hidden features that they didn't mention that you're probably not aware of. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you get started. If you're excited and got value out of this video, hit the subscribe button, and with that, let's get started. iPhones have gotten a lot bigger in the past couple of years, and with that, some of the accessibility has been hard to reach, especially with the Pro Max version. But there's a way to access and operate your phone with some ease. Go into Settings, Accessibility, and tap Touch. Toggle the reachability option, and now when you swipe down on the bottom of the screen, it drops the screen further down, making it easier to reach. Apple's iOS 15 update has some major changes to Safari, especially with the design. The address bar is now at the bottom of the screen, so you can easily reach it with your thumb. It can take some getting used to, but if you're like me, sometimes muscle memory is hard to overcome, and prefer your address bar at the top. So here's how to move it back to the top. When you're on Safari on your iPhone, tap the A button. Don't long press it, just a single tap will do. When you select Show Top Address Bar, you'll see a new option at the top of the new menu. Just tap it and it moves the bar back to the top. Privacy is a big thing for Apple, and with websites and apps tracking everything you do online, it can get a bit out of hand and sometimes scary. One way to protect your privacy online and avoid being tracked by marketers is with the Hide IP address from all websites. Here's how. Access your iOS settings in the Settings app. Navigate to Safari by scrolling down. Under the Privacy and Security option, tap Hide IP address. You can choose to hide only tracking websites or turn it off. By using this method, you can still hide your IP from trackers even if you don't have the new iCloud Plus plan. With the new iPhone 13 and phones on iOS 15, multitasking has gotten a lot easier and intuitive to use. Dragging and dropping content across apps simplifies making notes, emails, and managing your files way easier. Here's how to drag and drop files between apps in iOS 15 on the iPhone. Open the Photos app to see your recent photos. Place a finger on a picture and start dragging it across the screen instead of tapping it to open it full screen. Don't lift your finger when the thumbnail starts to float over the rest of the photos. Then switch to any app of your choosing. You'll see a green circle with a plus sign in it show up on the thumbnail, indicating that you can lift your finger and the photo will be placed in the text field, ready for you to send. You can even do things like search for images on Google, and using the same method, grab a bunch of images, then drag them all into your notes. It's easy enough, and the same trick in iOS 15 will allow you to attach files from the Files app directly to your emails as well. Taking photos on the iPhone has always been fun, especially sharing them with your friends. But sometimes you want to capture a video. This feature is called Quick Take, and it allows you to quickly take videos on the fly without having to swap to video mode. You can record a Quick Take video by touching and holding the shutter button in photo mode. You can also record hands-free by sliding the shutter button to the right and letting go of the lock. A photo can be taken by pressing the shutter button while recording. The record and shutter buttons appear below the frame. While the shutter is locked, you can zoom in and out by pinching in or out. To stop recording, just tap on the record button. Wouldn't it be nice if you could point your iPhone camera at a sign or a piece of paper and it would automatically recognize and copy the text into an email or a document? You can pull any text from any picture of your iPhone using Live Text, a new trick in iOS 15. It's also possible to paste the text into any text area once you've pulled it. The app makes it easy to share addresses, phone numbers, and anything else that you'd rather not type. The iPhone's new feature allows you to scan text by long pressing inside a text field as though you were going to copy and paste it. Instead of the standard copy and paste, the Scan Text button is now available. iPhones will identify and process text as you align it with the camera, so you'll see a live preview as you line them up in the camera. Once you're ready, just tap the screen and it'll automatically copy the text. Apple has been listening, and now we have a new improved Photos app. The Photos app now allows users to view photo information, the EXIF data, right on your phone. By tapping the I button under any image in the Photos app, you can view photo size, maps, photo date, time, resolution, and more. The Photos app on iPhone 13 has another little feature that's handy: editing the EXIF information of an image. iPhone users can customize app settings like date, time, and location directly within the Photos app. It's also possible to edit multiple photos at the same time by changing the date, time, and location. For individual photos, launch the Photos application, select the photo you want to change, then, with the bottom menu appears, tap the I button. By tapping Adjust, you can change the time, date, and location of the photo. When you're done, tap Done on the upper right corner of the screen. If you want to edit the information for multiple photos, here's how. In the top right corner, tap Select button. Choose the photos you want, and select the square button. By swiping down, you'll see the Edit, Date, and Time or Edit Location options. It's been a long time since the Photos app was updated, and with iOS 15 comes even more exciting features. The latest update includes machine learning advancements that make your iPhone smarter at identifying what's in pictures on older models. With the new feature, the Photos app can now detect and identify various items in your image library, such as animals, books, plants, works of art, and even landmarks in your location. Information about these items is then pulled from the web. You can also use the following steps to learn more about the things you photographed on your iPhone over the years using the new Visual Lookup feature. On your phone, access the Photos app and select the photo with a clearly defined shape. For instance, a dog. Check the information icon at the bottom of your screen. Tapping the star indicates that there's a visual lookup you can inspect. You can bring up lookup search results by tapping the icon in the center of the photo. This year, you'll find a bunch of sleek wallpapers to use on your iPhone 13 and Pro. The new wallpapers are bright, colorful, and best of yet, live, meaning if you press on the photo, they animate. For the new iPhone 13s and Pros, the wallpapers are available in the different available iPhone colors. Each color on the Pro matches a different iPhone 13 Pro color option. Same thing with the iPhone 13. Also, each wallpaper comes with a light and dark variant. To see all the different wallpapers, head over to Settings and then click on Wallpaper. Choose a new wallpaper and you can see all the different versions that come with your phone. The new iPhone 13 lineup is definitely packed with a lot of features. In case you missed it, you can watch my iPhone 13 unboxing and initial review where I go through the new design and its performance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest videos. Are you using an iPhone 13? If so, which color did you choose? And what features do you enjoy the most? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.